Hey y'all, what does a battery charger hooked up to a 12-volt battery hooked up into a 12-volt motor that's hooked up into a windshield washer reservoir that goes all the way up 4 2-liter Coke bottles strong, and then drips down to the bottom? What does that have to do with anything? Well, today, and let me just go ahead and hook this lead back up so you can see it working. Okay, here we go. We'll get water in the top. It'll start dripping down, go down to all 4 tanks. I've got a tomato plant that I stuck in the bottom just for show, but I think you get the idea. It goes back into the reservoir. It's got Miracle Gro in it right now, and what I'm trying to do here is a little bit of hydroponic gardening this year. I'm going to have maybe 2 rows of this. I've got another bottle over here that I'm going to stick up. I don't know necessarily on the same rack, and I'm going to turn this off real quick. So we turn that off. And over here, what most people are doing, it's called Hydroponics. If you go to their website, I think it's 3dponics.com. This is one of the pieces you can buy from them, or if you got a 3D printer, you can print one out yourself. They're pretty cool. Just screws right on the bottle. And what other people are doing is they're using this Venturi type tube, and they've got an ear pump that goes into each inlet on each side, and it creates a Venturi. They stick this into the water, and it creates a Venturi effect, not a Jesse Venturi, but a regular Venturi effect, and it makes the water go up this tube here. Well, that's AC. You have to plug this into an AC outlet, not this, but the pump that goes into this. So I said, well, I want to work off 12 volts because it's safer, and I can control it better. I can make my own timers up and so on, because I'm kind of like that. So this is kind of just conceptualize. I'm trying to proof this design and trying to conceptualize it. You know, how much weight I got, how much I can move this thing around. Is it going to fall down on me? And you know, that kind of stuff. So I went to a 12-volt system. It's just a regular 12-volt battery. Power Star, something you get at TSC or something. And then I found this. I remembered I saved this because I was going to put it back in my car. I also got another pump with it. So in theory, right now I've got it wired up to run one whole complete set of these 2-liter Coke bottles. And each 2-liter Coke bottle will have a different plant in it, or maybe a couple of them, herbs, whatever, you know. Tomatoes, squash, whatever I want. I figure I want to put in there, peppers, and then it recirculates to the bottom. The pump is placed pretty well, I think, because it's drawing everything from the bottom of this tank. So, I mean, I'm going to change a lot of this stuff around. I'm thinking about just taking one of these tanks here, putting this up top. You know, and this will hang inside the house eventually, but taking one of those tanks or something similar to this and putting like a valve, like a small drip valve on it, something like this, where I can just control the flow, and then have the pump come on, I don't know, once a day to fill this bucket up, and then this bucket will have this off the side of it, and it will just keep trickling down, trickling down, trickling down. So that's my little adventure. That's what I've been doing today anyways, for the first part of the day, and it's pretty cool. I'll let you know what I grow out of it. I know I'm going to put tomatoes in it, peppers, probably a cayenne pepper or 2, and probably herbs or something. And I'm thinking about doing a Y, doing a Y up here where this fitting goes in, and then doing a whole nother row. So I'll have 2 rows, and that'll be what, 40 pounds roughly of material suspended. It's just gravel, pea gravel, and some river rock, but And it's a pretty cool idea. I'm going to turn this on again. And actually, if you don't even grow anything in here, it makes for a relaxing waterfall. Thanks for watching. See ya.